In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the footer in Mailchimp. Let's start by opening the email campaign you want to work on. From your Mailchimp dashboard, go into the campaign and look for the section labeled Content. This is where you manage everything that appears in your email, from images and headings to, of course, the footer. Once you're in the Content section, click on Edit Design. This will open up the email editor, where you can see a live preview of your email layout along with the tools you need to make changes. Now, scroll all the way down to the bottom of your email. The footer block is usually the last section and often includes things like your mailing address, unsubscribe links, and any legal or branding information. Click directly on the footer block to select it. When you do that, an editing pane will open on the side of the screen. This editing pane is where you'll make all your changes, and it's divided into a few tabs to keep things organized. First, you'll see the Content tab. Here you can modify the text directly. Click into the text area and rewrite or update any details you need, such as your company name, website, or any other information that appears in the footer. Make sure everything is accurate and clear, since this is where subscribers often look for contact or unsubscribe details. Next, switch over to the Style tab. This is where you control how the footer looks. You can adjust fonts, font sizes, colors, and alignment to better match your brand. For example, you might change the text color to match your logo, or use a slightly smaller font so the footer looks tidy and not too overpowering. Take a moment to preview how these visual changes affect the overall feel of your email. Then, move to the Settings tab. In this area, you can toggle columns and adjust the layout of the footer. If you want a simple, single-column footer, you can set it that way. If you prefer multiple columns, for things like links on one side and contact details on the other, you can enable that here. Play with the layout until the structure matches the information you want to highlight. When you're happy with the text, style, and layout, make sure to save your work. Click Save and Close, or Done, depending on what you see in your editor. This will apply your footer changes to the campaign so it's ready for review, testing, or sending.